Okay, so good evening, students.
Good evening, Ma'am.
Okay, so how are you?
We're fine. Fine.
That's good to hear. Okay, so before we're going to proceed on our lesson for tonight, let me check your attendance first. If I call your name, you say present. Okay, Kayla Rebutaso.
Present, Ma'am.
Roxanne Luna.
Present, Ma'am.
Okay, Jenny Erong.
Present, Ma'am.
Okay. So, since I'm done checking the attendance, so this time, we're going to proceed to our lesson. Are you now ready?
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, nakita ninyo?
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay. I-check sa ha, if makita ba ninyo, ako siyang idako. Nakita ninyo?
Yes, Ma'am. Makita ra.
Dako siya, ning dako.
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay, can you read what will be our lesson for tonight?
Results, childhood, and early education.
Okay, so this time we're going to talk about Rizal's family and also his childhood and early education. Okay, so let us go on to the birth of Rizal. Okay, Kayla, can you read?
The birth of Rizal. Born on June 19, 1861, between 11 o'clock at night. Dora Alonso, his mother almost lost his life giving birth to Rizal because of his treatment.
Okay, so Rizal was born on June 19, 1861. And it is so very clear, no, na kanang si Rizal di ay unsa man ang nahibalaan nato ni Rizal. By the way, kinsa day si Rizal?
Our hero, Ma'am.
Our hero, yes. And also, Rizal is our hero. And aside from that, unsa man siya nga pagka-hero? Bright ba siya or unsa man siya? Okay, he saved the Filipinos. Yes, it's true. And aside from that, Rizal also the one nga kanang a hero that has an intelligence. Kana bitong taas pud siya og IQ. And tungod kay bright man si Rizal, so mao man na ilang ginaingon nga og dangas ka, bright ka. Dayon kay dako man daw ang ulo ni Rizal, no? Si Rizal dako og ulo. So ang iyang mama, which is Theodora Alonso, almost lost her life in giving birth to Rizal. Okay, now let's move on. So Rizal is born in Calamba, Laguna, which was considered as a first-class municipality in place wherein rich families enjoy the material progress brought by the opening of the Philippines in the world trade. So si Rizal di ay natawo siya sa Calamba, Laguna. Kinsa naman nakaadtuan ng Calamba, Laguna?
Wala pa.
Ay, wala pa. So dito na to makita ang kanang ahag ipanganak si Rizal. And aside from that, kanang nindot po na siya nga lugar kay Rizal, good, no? And so this time, let's proceed to this one. Okay, Jenny, can you read?
Majority of the land in Calamba, Laguna were owned by the Dominican friars. Ang Francisco Rizal, his father was an
Inquilino.
a labor.
Oh yes, so majority of the land in Calamba, Laguna were owned by the Dominican friars. So mga friars sila jud ang mga nagtag-iya jud anang Calamba, Laguna. Pero karon man gud na kayo namuyo dira. Before pa na siya. And then ang Francisco Rizal, his father, ang papa daw kuno ni Rizal, was an inquilino. Siya ang the laborer, og sa laborer pa mao na siya ang mga unsa man ang laborer sa atoa. Mga nana, basta ka nanarbaho, mga laborers. Okay, so this is Rizal's ancestry. As you can see, isang i-zoom ha. Francisco Mercado Rizal. So this is the father of Rizal. And then the mother of Rizal is Theodora Alonso Realunda. Okay, who among you here knows the mga igsuon ni Rizal? Wala pa no. So later on, makabalutaan na unya. So mga ancestry lang ni Rizal. Okay, now. So the birth of Rizal. Unsay tinuod ngalan ni Rizal?
Dr. Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Rialonda.
Yes, very good. So Dr. Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Rialonda. Born on June 19, 1861. And then, kano saan man siya na-baptize?
June 22, 1861.
Okay, so June 22, 1861, he was baptized in the Catholic Church in Calamba. And then, Father Rufino Colantes, the parish priest who baptized Rizal. Siya ang nagbaptize ni Rizal, si Father Rufino. And also, he told them, take good care of this child for someday, he will become a great man. So, kuha na dyan siya da, discern na siya nga, kuha dyan siya, maayo dyan siya pagka bata, nga magtubo siya ba, no? And then, Father Pedro Casanas, Rizal's godfather and close friend of Rizal's family. Yes, kani po si Father Pedro, close po ni siya nga kanang amigo sa ilahang pamilya. Godfather, unsay pasabot sa godfather? Mga maninoy or maninay. Ana. Okay, next. Sunod. Okay. Who is Domingo Lamco? Kinsa din siya? A Rizal's family's paternal ascendant, a full-blood Chinese from Amoy, China. Lamco is originally from Amoy, China, who came to the Philippines in the mid-17th century and married a half-Chinese, Inez de la Rosa. He took the name Mercado in early 17th century. So, kaniday siya is kaliwat nilang kinsa? Kaliwat nako? Okay, nilang Rizal. Kaliwat nilang Rizal. Okay, next. Kani, kinsa gali ni siya? Iyang lolo? Okay. Francisco Mercado Rizal. Let's go back here. Kinsa day ni? Wala mo kailan ni niya? This is the father of Rizal. Francisco Mercado Rizal. Wara. Wajud na minaw ning mga bataan eh. So, Francisco Mercado Rizal, born in Binian, Laguna on May 11, 1818. He studied Latin and philosophy at the College of San Jose in Manila. So, daan po siya no, maudeng bright po si Rizal because iyang papa po di ay has an intelligence or bright po di ang papa. Became a tenant farmer of the Dominican-owned hacienda. So, nasa hacienda, wow, mayaman. He was hardworking and independent-minded who talked less but worked more and valiant spirit. And also, he died in Manila on January 5, 1898 at the age of 80. Rizal affectionately called him a model of fathers. Unsay tawag niya?
Model of fathers.
Yes, very good. Kani siya, kinsa man eh?
Mother ni Rizal.
Mother ni Rizal. Very good. Unsay ngalan sa mother ni Rizal?
Theodora Alonso Rialonda.
Okay, very good. It's Teodora Alonso Rialonda. Born in Santa Cruz, Manila on November 8, 1826 and she studied in Colegio de Santa Rosa in Manila. Grabe no? Mga nindot na kay mga eskwelahan. A remarkable woman possessing the refined culture, literary talent, business ability, and fortitude of Spartan woman. So daan na jud ay ang knowledge ni Rizal is not only gikan niya jud, but naapod na siya sa iyang mga ancestors and came also from her mother and father. And also, she died in Manila on August 1, 1911 at the age of 85. So, tiguang na dyan po kayang mama. Okay, nanata karon sa Rizal siblings. Okay, wait, sa kamera na nanawag. Rizal siblings. Okay, the first, Saturnina. Okay, Johnny, can you read?
The eldest child of Rizal Alonso married Manuel Timoteo Hidalgo of Tanawan, Batangas. Okay.
So, do you know na Saturnina, Pasyano? Do you know that song? Na nagkuhan siya sa mga siblings? Na Pasyano, Narcisa Olympia, Lucia Maria. Asa to? Nakalimot ko. Basta ka na siya. Okay, so the eldest one is Saturnina. And then followed by Pasyano. Next is Narcisa. Next is Olympia, Lucia, Maria, Jose, and then si Rizal, and then Concepcion, and si Josefa. Okay, now, pila sila kabuok magigsuon? Trinidad ang Soledad, napaday, pila sila kabuok suon?
11, ma'am.
11. Ikapila si Rizal?
7. 11, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So let's go on here na. So ang journey ni Rizal sa iyang early education. So ang iyang first tutor si Maestro Celestino. Okay, sa iyang first tutor?
Maestro Celestino.
Oh, iyang second tutor is si Maestro Lucas Padua. No, siya iyang second tutor. And then kani si Leon Monroy, mao ni classmate ni sa papa ni Rizal. Dayon kani siya, nagpuyo ni siya sa balay nilang Rizal, and iyang gi-instruct si Jose in Spanish and Latin. Unfortunately, he did not live long. He died 5 months later. So kani si Leon Monroy, kuan po siya kanang former classmate sa papa ni Rizal, and then puyo-puyo po nilang Rizal, and then po siya mag-storya ni Rizal sa mga kuan through Spanish and Latin nga mga sinultian. Pero wala nagdugay, namatay siya. And then June 1869, at the age of 8, Rizal needed to leave his family to study in Binyan. So grabe no, 8 pa iyang edad, mubiya na siya sa Calamba, kay mato siya sa Binyan kay para muskwela siya nga siya ra usa. Okay, so the first day to Binyan, Maestro Justiniano Cruz, he had the reward and punishment as his method of teaching. He used corporal punishment to inculcate discipline to his students. So mao ni siya nga maestro nga ug nila pa terror, no? Next, si Pedro. Kini si Pedro, gi-challenge niya si Rizal to have a fight. Pero kay si Rizal, butan man ni si Rizal, so wala siya nagpatingkal. And the next is Juancho. Juancho is Rizal's teacher in painting. No, napod siya teacher sa painting. And then, Rizal returned to Calamba, December 1870. And then, he received a letter from his sisters, attorney na advising him to ride the steamer Talim that would bring him back to Calamba. Kaning Talim kay kuan og sa sinaunang tao pa kana bitong mga kabayo nga naay. Ay kana bang singa na. Oh, ina na kalesa. Mo na siya ilang sakyanan sa una, the way of transportation. And also, December 17, 1870, 1 p.m. So kay afternoon man, Saturday, he reached his home at Calamba. So nakauli og balik si Rizal sa Calamba. So, I think we will end our lesson over here. But before that, to test your knowledge or ug naminaw ba yung mugtarong, no? Let's have a quiz. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready na mo magkuan? Ready na mo mag-quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, let's now start. By the way, students, this has 20 questions, and in that 20 questions, need ninyo ma-answeran ang each question within 20 seconds, okay? So, since we are done in our lesson, I hope you understand our lesson tonight. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, here, balik na tanaw. So, I hope you really understand our lesson tonight. And thank you, dear students. Oh, what happened? Can you hear me? Hello? Ano naman siya?
Wala minadugan, ma'am.
Ano naman siya? Your mic isn't working. Try changing the mic more. Loading the page to fix the problem. Okay, wait for a while, ha? Okay. Nadunggan ko ninyo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, once again, thank you very much, dear students, for your for your time, and also for giving your best sa atuang lesson karon. And I hope you enjoy our lesson for tonight. So, before we're going to end this class, before I will say dismiss, can you open your camera so that magkakuan ta, mag-picture taking ta for attendance?
I'm so sorry, ma'am, but my camera is hindi ma-open.
Di
Working.
Dili ma-open. Sige, it's okay. Okay, Jenny, let's have a picture taking. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, once again, students, thank you very much for your time. And see you again next class in our face-to-face class. So, that will be all for tonight, students. Goodbye!
Bye.